Hi, my name is Uwe Bossert and I'm a guitarist from the band Stereo Love. At the moment preparing for live touring because our new album is about to come out. The name is Boy A. We produced the whole album in my studio in Munich and had an awesome producer who worked with us. And as a guitarist going on tour with your own material, I always have the same problem. Once you produce, you have all the gear in the world, you have all the stuff you need and you want, and you can experiment. And then once you go on tour as a guitarist, you crush a wall because you have to decide, like, what, do I bring the Vox, do I bring the Fender Twin, do I bring both amps, and my backliner gonna kill me for that. And it's always the same kind of discussions and thoughts. That's why I switched to use the Kemper on a live setting, because I wanted to have the possibility to use all my album sounds, all my studio sounds also live. So there's no backup amp, there are no effects left in my rig, and I'm pretty happy with that. But then again, like producing this album, Boy A, we had a lot of weird acoustic sounds and in the verses, and then coming to electric guitar sounds in the choruses. And I had the question, like, how do I do that on stage? I don't want to use a acoustic guitar stand. So I ended up building a LR Bax T-bridge into this beautiful 355 from Gibson. I love this guitar, and I wanted to be able to gain a acoustic-ish guitar sound from that guitar. And I found this sound with this beautiful piezo pickup. And so now what I'm able to do is I'm switching between Fender Twin sound, which sounds like that. So this is one line in one of our songs, and you see, like, there are a lot of effects on it. It's a Fender Twin, it's totally cranked, and it's a profile I made in my studio. And then on the verse, I use a acoustic guitar, and that's gonna sound like that. And I just love the possibility to be able to switch between those two signals without having, like, major gear on stage. It's basically all happening in the Kemper. The one is a profile, again, with a Fender Twin. The other profile is just a pretty exciting studio setup with, like, a Neve preamp and API EQ. And there's a bunch of other stuff in the chain, and I profile that chain without a speaker. And so with the LR Bax pickup, I have a nice... I love how versatile this little setup is. It's still a big rig. It's because I need space for, like, my guitar stuff, and I have this switcher in here. I have the channel one for acoustic shows. I have this second Kemper as a backup, and it's just a very nice rig with all the different sounds I need I use on my albums.